After a good night's rest, we began day 6 with optimism and a little stiffness from all those miles on the road. The morning started with hotel breakfast, though this one didn't exactly make the highlight reel. Even though we were well within the serving hours, there was much left to choose from. Still, we made the most of it. Cereal for some, toast for others, grateful to start the day with something warm. After breakfast, the children went back to the room to begin packing up the car, mastering the rhythm of road trip living. Load, lock, and go. Meanwhile, Angel and I made our way to the hotel gym for a light workout and some much needed stretching. It wasn't about pushing limits, just loosening up the kinks that long drives had set in. Before heading out, we stopped by the lobby for a cup of the lemon water they had out for guests. It was cold, tart, and refreshing, and it was the perfect send-off to another day on the road. Our first stop was the Ohio State Park, a scenic place with open lawns and a calm lake that mirrored the morning sky. Ohio really impressed us. Clean, spacious, and beautifully kept. Though the park had one less than pleasant surprise. It seemed to be a favorite among dog owners, and the lawns showed it. With careful steps, we joked about it, but it didn't take away from the serenity of the view. Next came a destination that completely changed the mood, the Uranus Fudge Factory, located where I-70 and the National Road 40 intersect. It's the kind of place that makes anyone with a sweet tooth feel like a kid again. There were bright colors, witty slogans everywhere, trinkets, snacks, and enough sugar to fuel another 1,000 miles. We took plenty of pictures, and just as we were struggling to take a family selfie, a man randomly offered to take it for us. And that was a small, kind gesture that made the moment even sweeter. It was a Sunday, and the day felt like it stretched forever in the best way. We left Ohio, drove through the busy streets of Indianapolis, then through Kentucky, before finally reaching Tennessee. In Tennessee, we made a scheduled stop to switch vehicles at the car rental center, and that's an important step for any long road trip. It's part of staying safe, checking the oil, brakes, and everything in between. A quick swap now meant fewer worries later. The day ended late into the night when we checked into our hotel in Tennessee. The glow from the parking lot lights felt like a quiet welcome. It had been another long, full day, from stretching our sore muscles to our eyes feasting on fudge and driving across 4 states. Thank you for joining us on day 6 of our Family Feet in Action journey, and we'd love to hear if any of those Uranus slogans stood out to you. Stay tuned to the channel as we share more stories, and feel free to like, comment, subscribe, or share. If you're enjoying the highlights, check out our Buy Me a Coffee page, as it helps to keep the journey going.
Subscribe!